Hello everyone, welcome to today's video of News Plus Daily. Here we are to share good, optimistic, positive news of the day. Let's start with the areas. Once. So we are covering 5 areas. First is vaccination in India. Second is in media, environment, a good study in mental health, and again environment. Let's start with the first one. 100 crores vaccination milestone reached in India today. So yes, we covered 100 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines today. It covers COVID Shield, Covaxin, and Sputnik, and it's the total number of vaccines, not just first, but the first and second dose together. CI President TV Narendran said it's an extraordinary and laudable efforts from all the key stakeholders, which are researchers, doctors, workforce, administrative team, and police personnel. So shout out to them. And this is a historic mission. We will help place the economy on the high growth pace and reinforce India's global leadership role, he added. So congratulations, India, on this. Second news is okay, so grab Amazon Prime membership before the prices rises. This is the news, which is official now, where Amazon Prime will be increasing the annual membership charges. It is confirmed after their e-trailer has been released, and they are increasing the charges from 999 to 1499 rupees in India. So grab it before it rises. Next, vertical greenhouse using 100% natural light. So greenhouse farming is a very good solution, but the problem here is that most of the vertical farms or the vertical greenhouse farming uses a lot of heating and artificial light. So this uh, company from Britain, Shockingly Fresh, has created a vertical farm which uses 100% natural light, which is very good. So this is the largest naturally lit vertical farm in Britain, and they're about to harvest leafy greens, herbs, strawberries, and they will make way to the supermarket in the Britain very soon. Next up is how your mental health can get benefit from watching horror movies. So the study shows that experiencing fears from the comfort of your couch or in movie theaters means that we cannot ignore the feeling of getting afraid or get feared from watching a horror movie. This teaches us one important lesson of managing stress at the moment, and we without relying on the coping mechanisms. This also allows us to face fears in a controlled environment, but build empathy for the characters, even when we are feeling discomfort. So this is a very valuable life skill. The last is reforestation using drones. So this reforestation isn't a new concept, and people are doing it from several years. But this company, Drone Seed, has perfected the process of reforestation by using their drones, as the name suggests. So this technology uses a laser mapping technique to pinpoint where the seeds has the highest chances of survival before disposing it. So the current reforestation process is like growing sampling in some nurseries, taking them by hand and putting it in the forest. And using this method, the workers can cover up to 2 acres of forest per day. But with this technology, what drone seed is using, it can cover 25 times more. That is 50 acres per day they can cover to replant and reforest. So that's amazing. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.